Fambo Aduo, I don't come back with another edition of a program, Leutap Corona na Salon. Na Radio Montorial, CTN na Frabe College na Freetown, join hand with 14 partner radio stations then, including the radio station where they listen to so for bringing this program to you. In the last edition, we've been focused on how the COVID-19 signal unblock the disabled people them na the country. This program will continue with the same topic, but this time we go focus on the people them where na deaf and we know they see and talk. Me na una young presenter, Mariam Sahid. Make we listen to this important public service announcement.
The bad news is that everyone is a potential victim, but the good news is that everyone is a potential solution. Sensitize the masses.
Before them. As we all do wait patiently and the hope say the coronavirus go down better one a salon and make all things go back to normal. Now we continue for play with your parts for effort to help the sick. Na time like this, we for sure we love for we country by how we they do the thing them where the well body ministry and the salon government say we for they do. We can make the sick not scatter and safe not catch plenty people them. Do ya? Make we continue for wearing face mask anytime we dey go na public place or inside transport. No say the face mask not to for inside your bag, your purse or your pocket or safe under your chin. The best way for wearing face mask na where it cover your mouth and your nose fine one. Make we continue for wash we hand them with soap and clean water or use sanitizer all time. Public and private building themselves for continue for put clean water and soap na the entrance them so that people when they go inside the building them go they wash their hand. Make we the volunteer and self talk to we family them for go do the COVID-19 test so that we all go know we status. And finally, don't forget for go to hospital and any health center where you feel sick. Together we go beat and grab COVID-19 comot na salon. This na message where they come out from Radio Montorial CTN na Frabe College.
Everybody must be alert. It's a global pandemic we can never take for granted.
As we been dey talk na the last program, the corona sickness affects plenty people them, especially the one them way physically challenged and safe, then one them way blind, deaf and not able for talk. So for know how the coronavirus sick down Hamburg then, at the start na Connaught district na the Eastern region, Osai Charles Kapua, the chairman for the Sierra Leone Union on Disability Issues na Connaught district, been talk to Matthew Roland Congo. Charles say the signal had more suffering for them as people with disability.
COVID-19 come to this country, the impact a very serious matter the way the people with disability all over the country. I feel really in a more suffering kind of hard because you imagine as a blind man, with lady bred by day forget survivor pass people then go bigger. Then the sickness don't come out, there's a social distance. So the one where they may blind provide for GUI for by day. Now everybody don't stay at home. So it's very, very difficult to have forget this survivor. Forget daily bred survivor by day, now bigger the people then can do. Only that the starting where the first gentleman in the country right now, with president even provide a food and so amount when a 250 where they mean send during the time of the first lockdown, or that time it been good for we. But after that now, when the lockdown done now, we defend them very difficult how to get survivor because even the partner themselves they been don't follow up. So it's not easy for we at all.
So how like the membership and like now the district now that you don't talk say where initially the first lockdown the president begin as support, but now that that's probably don't come to end and people themselves for use again they can help hand know the how the fear on with things there now.
Now it's not easy for we because now they say free education for we picking there. Look now school don't open, but not to all side the school, some school and then a community school. For that we have no one left out inside this quality education for we picking them. While I then have made them learn. But so area then they really, my brother, it's so serious. So really condition is so stiff for we there at the center where they find it very difficult because formerly the one where them plant assist we where this COVID-19 don't come and especially like Handicap International, if you look, they don't follow up. So by now, for that we're able to get movements because most of the time where they don't know them at the ground, we can go there after meeting and the Jewish transport office on that area they will able to get small thing there with attend to our own business, but now they all don't follow up. So now we condition bad for the people with disability within the district. Okay.
So now also look at ever be get support for like the hygiene materials like get soap, water, then for help protecting more for help tap the spread of COVID-19 now the district, more especially amongst where now the visually impaired people.
Yeah, then the supporting being come, and when they been come, then G by camp, then G by group. Then G individual. Then the G soap, then G face mask, then the G bucket. But we live in condition. That's the most problem. We find it very, very difficult. Because by now, as I tell you, and for that way we get to survive by day, easy. Then school don't open. Some of you get 2-3 picking them. And we not go one they left out. That the center without them in the April formally, then serve them full up. How then picking them, then we will get that quality education. So it's not easy for we at all. With situation, it's very, very difficult.
Which role will ever play for help tap the spread of the COVID-19 amongst in a member stem that it is to being the chairman?
Now, a responsibility of SLUDIA as a union, and I can call the DPOS then. We can get a SLUDI DPO secretarial meeting, not all members, but the chairman there from different associations. As a union, I cover the all wound and PT, polio, blind, dumb, and deaf, that the symptom to stroke. I can call them chairman then we can preach the social distance to them, using of a face mask, using of washing hand. I give them the message that then they can go to the association, that the sense of then they go pass the message to the community people. Obviously, we don't do that a lot.
That's Charles Kapua, the chairman for Sierra Leone Union on Disability Issues in Kono District. Still inside Kono, Kadia Tuso, where they work with Radio New Song, we also talk to Christiana Yeh Lamina, when a school picking, and Sir Peter Sa Lamina, teacher at the Kwedu School for the Blind. You go first hear from Christiana.
Well, we as people living with disability, especially the visually impaired, it really affects we negatively and make us say in time of the food business, because anything where we talk about, we say empty bag not the tin up as we people like to say. So the COVID-19 really way in camp. Now we can't live alone, and we as people living with disability, it really affects we really na the food side. Number one, we really then thing and it be really affects we. Because for make we even get we daily bread, it not be really easy. It really not be easy for we as people living with disability.
How will they manage for cope with the system?
Well, for now we really appreciate and thank God. We still manage small through the help of 1 or 2 people that when they come around for help we. Well, for now it's not too easy for, because for make we even get we daily bread, it's not easy. So we still facing some of them challenges and but for now we really thank God for some people that when they come now we aid 1 cent. Well, me recommendation now for let the government come now we aid and make we help we and really not say we as people living with disability we go through boku challenges them. So really want let them come now we aid and let the government help we and assist we how we self go able forget and we answer much for the day.
First of all, it affects we educationally, like mostly the school for the blind up to this time. We're not able to operate. Even the picking the whole they go collect them, for let them grieve, for let bring them come take here. Some people don't get that confidence. So educationally it don't affect you. And even economically it don't affect you, because we get people there and they do their businesses then during the time and nobody they travel, all man or business, nobody they function very well. Would that be the common go buy food on and the road block. So at that time and the disabled people or blind people and it not be actually easy for economically for like able provide for the home, for like even medication and it not be so easy. And also it will affect we skill training centers there, because we get people the way then they do skills them, whether they do soap making, whether they do gacha dyeing as blind people or then different chair production, we get people there then they do but all the activities then they affect and not be they go on at all. If you make a certain thing, the other will come by and buy money not be circulated by the internet in the country. And also it will affect internet the social interactions then. Because like we say, no matter where somebody in a blind person, but you self get who say you can go get iladida, whether in a bar, whether in a club, whether na football, we get blind people where they go see and watch football. But then they nothing like that, they no be.
So Peter, you watch football?
No, I know they watch football. Now listen no more, I go listen because I don't go able to watch it, but I go listen now.
Okay.
Mostly.
So you dey follow the trend where they listen?
Yes, I dey follow it again. Mostly in terms of them, like there's some game that they wait and they play. One knows this particular game that they.
So now who's team they support?
Well, although Man United don't come on a side, but up to now, I am support.
That's na Peter Salamina, teacher na the Kwaidu School for the Blind, but before him, na been Christiana Yilamina School picking na the same school. From Kono, I dey go na Kenema, na the Eastern region for Yeriweti Mohamed Kalon, the district program manager, Sierra Leone Association for Deaf Kenema branch, been tell Susan Kumbakamanda.
You see, them people here, them deaf people, then they know they read, then they see, but not they read, they know they talk. And what you make, we add that hearing, we part of hearing, you know, say people then they way that we don't they affect with disease. Now this part of the country, like Lassa fever and all then other chronic disease then. Where it left you, either you hear deaf, you're not able to talk, you know you hear deaf or you're not able to talk. So then people, then kind of people then they're very hard for sensitize and this then kind sickness then they except when I get a particular way how when they able for sensitize them. You see, for that person hold mic, they go up and down, they talk to them, then they see we they talk, but they don't know what thing they actually talk to them. So then they create a very big impact na their life, na their society because they don't know how for prevent, they don't know how they what is it. But through with small effort, what would they do? Would they able to sensitize them on real language, when the sign language where everybody they use for talk to them, we can sensitize them through that.
So like how COVID-19 don't affect on our activities them as the deaf?
Right now, because all activities then we don't go backward. Because we come now really for can promote the deaf then. One, for put them in a school where they really want for go school. Because like there's small picking them. We can see them now then they pass. You see, they know they go school, where they go now, then formal schools and then copy and they provoke them. You see, they can feel shy. So they can come back. Some they don't left panate, they don't big, they're not able to do anything. So we don't come inside. The Sierra Leone Association of the Deaf don't come inside so that we go able to do capacity building for them to kill them. Because one, if small picking them, you know they talk, one for make them get their own school. When they get their own school, the one way it don't be, but not so big here to that, then get picking them. We try for make them do, let them learn work so that they go be self-reliant. So make them know they pass behind them company no more for laugh them. Because we don't do the survey. Most of them get picking them now. Then people here, the able people then they use them. They wouldn't use them no more, they left them. Some they don't born, papa no day, they born in all the pandemic then. So we come inside for sensitize them then, say them people here, then good na the society. They say na more man them. So that they say go able improve their life system, then at the community, so that they go able to do better things for themselves.
Mr. Kalon, listener go on for know how una can cope with the COVID-19 preventive measures, like the use of the face masks, for stop the handshaking, for observe the social distancing, for the frequent hand washing. According to the government plans and all the DHMT, everything, the sensitization, we see the people then they go up and down, they sensitize. But then people here they're not able to understand. So we said, we organize, we call them. We'll call them all the precaution measures then. They teach them through science. True science say, you know, for do handshake to person, before they wash your hand frequently, before they do this, you know, this you for do, so that sickness they not do it. You for use face mask, you forget distance, when somebody they talk to you, if you know for can near, radius distance go there between you and the person, so that when you do down there, you could be prevent from the COVID-19.
That's na Mohamed Kalon, the district program manager, Sierra Leone Association for Deaf, na Kenema branch. I still then at Kenema, and now we go listen to Ibrahim B. Kawa, the chairman for the blind at Kenema district. He been talked to Andrew Batsilo Francis, where they work na Gola Agriculture Radio na Kenema City.
Trust me, it don't really it don't create some negative impact as we, because most of we in the street today and from there we get we daily bread, but being that the COVID don't come, you know, the government put laws social distance and also for a wearing of a face mask it don't really count something there. At least the movement of the blind, it'll be difficult.
Look at una activities, you be the chairman for all the blind. What's in the activities the way una can do where the COVID really affect?
Well, sometimes we hold meeting, many times because we are reduced into zone, chiefdom, and also districts. We can hold meeting with chiefdom executives and also district executive. But with the COVID lockdown now, we hardly meet because of shared distance. Because in the office space we will get on a 205 Bokenema Highway Kawiyard section. The office space is not too enough for we. So like the government don't talk say let we avoid crowding. So I make most of activities it don't put on hold, and we can make a football match because let me tell you, disability is not inability. We can get some football match, we can get some programs and we can do, we can go out, for also educate members then. But since all this don't come, trust me, all that thing we don't die down because we need to do and person with disability unless we get funding, but that funding is not forthcoming. The head office obviously they be the chipping small, all things don't stand still. And also them picking away the work out with Mr. Moderator, trust me, them picking them back government don't talk say no offer go school. So the COVID it really create negative impact inside our life. Our activities as I say, I mentioned it don't everything it don't go backward because first thing will be the meet with members then and the various community then various home then for also educate them and low pulling the streets, at least low get them formal education or a textbook training. But that's all not put on hold.
That's na Ibrahim Bikawa, the chairman for the blind na Kenema district. For End Miwaka, na the eastern region, make a reach na Kailan Usai Alexandra Jamiru, where they work na Radio Moa, been talk to Francis Tucker, the chairman for the Sierra Leone Association for the Blind na Kailan district.
As my brother they asked about the COVID-19, waiting at the impact to with the disabled people them. For Kailan district, we thank God, but the only thing as the starting of COVID, the elders of the disabled people there will be come together and write a letter to the DICOVAL for let them able for put we inside the social mob. Because of we get some of the company disabled people them, particularly like the deaf and dumb. And the blind people them, wholly and solely, will not go able for live without if somebody will not able for touch, particularly the blind. Any condition where they inside we must touch. And this particular COVID pandemic, they say you not for touch, you not for go inside crowd. But you see, if we the blind, they will not go inside crowd. It not go easy for us able forget we so we dare regret. It be turn for every difficult thing to we, but we thank God. To one organization where they're based in African, where they strictly work for disabled people them, where they call the organization One Family People. This organization is able for lobby with them. They come inside Kailan. They're able for train about 8 different disability people them for do a social mob work. So really we see that these 8 people there, they do a great work in this district here. We thank God. All the victims them, or all the one that would have belong with this COVID, we don't hold them. We really tell God thank you. We not see no disability person among them because through the sensitization, we will be sensitized with confidence, like the deaf and dumb them. How we will be able for so science to them for let them know say yes, we they inside a crisis. They will they understand we, and they all will they go by the instruction and the law where the Master Sabi people.
So how this whole thing will look like for Una because. When you look at Una during that time, they go out, Una company they go out, then they go look for food for it. So when this COVID-19 come, Una not able to go. How life it be so difficult to we. It be so difficult to we. We be just thank God to the government of Sierra Leone through NACSA and social welfare. Inside that 2 knockdown, the first knockdown and the second knockdown, we really tell God thank you. But other than themselves, remember the whole Kailan district. With the disabled people them, we are more than 5,000 inside Kailan district now. Only 300 be able for succeed on that thing there. So really, what are the thing we they give you now?
They give you food. The first knockdown, they give you 25 kg with 250,000. Then the second knockdown, they just give you 250,000.
That's not for a whole group of per person.
No, not by person, by household. They be doing by household. So the team will go. And only 300 households will they be able for target. We will get more than 5,000 household of disabled people them in the district. But we still tell God thank you, and we tell God thank you to the government for even that step we become in. And we really try, because you see, COVID don't cause a great problem for the disabled people them. Like how we carry where government don't come at the aid of the business people them because of COVID, we don't put them business. They don't come to the workers them. The one that want to be
before you go under, you say COVID-19 it pours something for una the disabled.
Yes.
Say with some of the things that we COVID-19 pour for una.
Number one, the living condition. It not be easy for we at all. And most of we, through waiting with they live inside, waiting with they make with we hand them. Because like we now, inside we center, we get a skill training center. Through the items that they make them, we will hand them, we will food them. Now then they will go to able for sell and get with living. But it can't be for say, let's say we the one people that would be going at the center. Let's say they plant the country close or the able for make cutlass or whole. We say for go sell them, no market no day. So it really creates problem for we and with families then.
That's na Francis Tucker, chairman for the Sierra Leone Association of the Blind na Kailaun district. Let's stop na Air Force and take a short music break.
Fellow Sierra Leoneans, as we all know, one sick don't come with it trouble the world so much, we don't call corona. So this is just an advice, follow take the necessary precautions to avoid an mama salon.
The one sick don't come, we don't call corona. No, it just they multiply, you want to take over the world now. Take over the world now. Say make me follow the precaution. If you get fever and a struggle for breathe and they come, run call the doctor. I say run call the doctor.
So we be left make plenty. Ebola take over the country. So we be left make plenty. Ebola take over the country. Yeah. This thing don't come up and play. Coronavirus deal. This thing don't come up and play. Mr. Coronavirus deal. I see on the news they watch TV. I see so many people that die. Well, criticals that died and tell me the coronavirus will take over the world. You know, say prevention is better than cure. Now so they say, yo, so take the body number. So take them easy, make it no come here. So keep a distance, go far away. So for about the cyber people there, yeah. Coronavirus, make it beauty of the virus. Where they make people then they minus sick is serious.
The one sick don't come, where they call corona. It just they multiply, you want to take over the world now. Take over the world now. Say make me follow the precaution. If you get fever and a struggle for breathe and they come, run call the doctor. I say run call the doctor.
This thing don't come up and play. Coronavirus deal. This thing don't come up and play. Coronavirus deal.
So we be take Ebola like play. Yet till many lives turn late. Corona don't come, Mr. Government protect the gate. We know say with a better economy, man, to survive.
For the life also matter.
Make we don't make this sick from big man power. Make we wash we hands daily. It is Africa now, our own Africa. It takes 10 minutes when it hit the bomb, 12 hours when it hit the metallic man. So avoid touching the face. Drink water frequently. So make we act now, act twice. So corona go back down. Together we gon' fight it. Say one sick don't come, we they call corona. It just they multiply, you want to take over the world now. Take over the world now. Say make me follow the precaution. If you get fever and a struggle for breathe and they come, run call the doctor.
Niggas Michigan,
run call the doctor.
It's just them for be cautious, be hygienic. Let me pray, so God will push this pandemic.
Welcome back to the second segment of the program, Leo Tap Corona na Salon. Member say, na Radio Montreal, CTN na Frabe College, na Freetown join hand with 14 partner radio stations them, including the radio station where they listen to so for bringing this program to you. This edition will continue for look at how coronavirus sick don hamburg the disabled people them na the country. And we'll go focus on the people them way deaf and we know they see and talk. Mina una young presenter, Mariama Sahid. Make we listen to this important message.
The bad news is that everyone is a potential victim, but the good news is that everyone is a potential solution.
Me family them, as we all the wait patiently and the hope say the coronavirus sick go done bata na salon and make all things go back to normal. Let we continue for play we own part for help for drep this sick. Na tell them like this, we for show we love for we country by how we dey do the thing them wey well body ministry and the salon government say we for the do. We go make the sick no go scatter and catch plenty people. Do ya make we continue for where we face mask anytime we dey go na public place or inside transport. And no say the face mask not to fall inside your bag, purse or pocket or safe under your chin. The best way for wear face mask na way it cover your mouth and your nose fine one. Make we continue for wash we hand them with soap and clean water or use sanitizer all time. Public and private building them safe for continue for put clean water and soap na the entrance them so that people where they go inside the building them go wash their hands. Make we the volunteer and talk to we people them for go do the COVID-19 test so that we all go know we status. And finally, not forget for go na hospital or any health center where you dey feel sick. Together we go beat and drep COVID-19 comot na salon. This na message where they comot from Radio Montreal CTN na Frabe College na Freetown.
The bad news is that everyone is a potential victim.
For continue for know how the coronavirus sick down and bug people them way no they see, talk and yeri. Are they now na Bo City, na the southern region for yeri waiting Francis Gauja, one staff member na the school for the blind na Bo City, been tell Timothy Luceni where they work na classic radio.
Well, COVID-19, as we all know, na a viral disease we don't come na the country, na the world in general, we don't disturb a lot of sectors. That's not exempting we na blind school or any other disabled institution we get for deal with visual impairedness. The negative impact of this coronavirus is it don't hold on most of the activities, more especially on educational affairs, what the school therefore they embark on now, for able for capacitate them picking them in order for me to become somebody in future tomorrow. Since where this corona come and as we are on March 31st, we register our first in-depth case. The picking on the house, more especially the girl children, because the more they sit on our house, now the more in the tell on them. We don't know then faith how they go down lack in waiting they don't they learn, waiting them go don't forget. So all of this get for cause we time back for more we try for access them picking and they for more know how best they able for cope up still with waiting we don't they learn them before they try for forge ahead to any other step. Obviously a very very negative to the part of we own side because we school be done lock everything just whole, not only about the west of the country and every the world in general. So a very very negative.
So let me look at the support side, even where things we are normal. Support now possible for the blind and the visually impaired people. Now something will be somehow challenging. Now that we live in an extraordinary time, how the support to the government and self to health organization we can step in for help now?
Well, on the side of the government, the support the government can give, but not on timely basis. The subvention or whatsoever the grants the government can give, when that's the school they take for run, its affairs, for feed the picking them and do all other parts where for the picking they feel fine. I not can come on time even before now. Then if when this corona don't come, everything not just be capitalized on coronavirus. We waiting the school forget, not they get on time. We that money they equally the school get for use and for pay non-staff them. We know they under payroll. And if time like this, money not they come na the school, so the school can use them for pay the the staff them. We there for pay. Then self no they feel fine, and then they also tell on the working system na the school because when somebody not get payment, when somebody not they get salary, waiting for get for the month. And not just get zeal for work, or not just get happiness for work. So the side of the government, the support can come, but it's not timely. Timely. At times it can take some quarter, they come, whether they can disturb the school, even for how for cater for the picking them, it can very, very difficult. Because mind you, they take care of over 50 picking them, they got to feed them every day, not once. They got to feed at least 2-3 times per day.
That's na Francis Ngauja, staff member na the School for the Blind na Bo City. Still na Bo City, Fatimata Grace Okekeru, where they work na Voice of Faith Radio, self been talk to Mohammed S. Conte, the head teacher na the Paul School for the Blind na Bo City. Mohammed starts for talk about how the sick don ambok the old world.
And I want first of all say COVID-19 come at a time where the whole world, COVID-19 first of all no can help we at all in the world. It can create a lot of problems for we. It can kill a lot of people and wait for them create so much good things in the world. And we now in Sierra Leone, I go say COVID-19 don't do a lot of bad things for we. Parents themselves not able for cater for the picking them. So I know say we all, even you come for an interview we, I know say yes, not something we not true or I talk about. The impact where the COVID-19 don't bring into we the blind people them, one, the social distance. Social distance is so bad for we because we as blind people them, we're not going to live without each other. Pass with it by ourselves. In time, you want to greet anybody, pass you touch them. You want to talk to anybody, pass you go near them. You want to receive something from anybody, pass you go near them. And by doing that, you must miss and touch the person. So therefore, COVID-19 for we not create any good things for we. Then again, we say these face masks. Yes, face masks are good because they're a way of preventing the problem from that. But we as blind people, one, we need for listen properly. So that face masks who they take for put in our ears or in our eye or for cover our nose. One thing we get for smell, and we deal with sense of smelling and no sense of hearing. So sometimes and sometimes when one goes some side or we move, we get something with the ambog we is we know they feel fine, Then we know saying our nose. We nose very, very sensitive. So if we begin for cover again, it creates some problems.
That's Mohammed S. Conte, the head teacher na the Paul School for the Blind na Bo City. At the left the south and they go na Kabbalatong na Kwenadugu district, inside the northern region, Usai Margaret Minson Mansare, where they work na Radio Bintumani bin talk to Amidou Mansare, the head of the Kabbalah School for the Blind.
Yeah, thank you very much. As you've been on the intro, this is an educational institution, and the impact we get na this institution, they stop with schooling. We all know say schools being locked the 31st of March, and since that time day, nothing not go on. And all the begin there, even though not be one like them go, they all go. Now then different villages there. Now how will they get there? Now our problem. If you want can today, tomorrow other one, next tomorrow other one. And all landed now because of this corona business. Because even the parent there, like Sunday, them they call me, hey, what happen now? There is a school open, and at the same time there is a corona still there. How will left we begin there? How would I get for the seaboard and begin then day? So up to now, we know he will get to begin the we don't get ready.
So like even though there are some way in BC them parents and can't take them, but also not get some picking them where like in BC where them parents and carry them, they not even one know about them. How na go about during this COVID-19 for handle them?
Well, then as I always say, they don't force we for own them picking them now against we own will. Me and all my teachers they don't try. Say during this corona time, people them in the can and they can't help we with food, so on the car with soap, so on the car with even these face masks. So from the food order they can help we. Now they will take care of them picking them during this corona. Yeah. All this COVID-19 been done at the high. It affects me seriously because they say for social distancing. for church person. And as visually impaired people, we always rely on people there for help. We want to go on side and get for all you earn, and then we then day. So if COVID-19 come with your law say no for church person, no for near person. So if you affect you seriously, because if you want to go on side, you get for face and very difficult too, because we not get person for lead you. Then no problem.
So that means say like una not been the use person again for lead on some side.
Nothing. We not been now zero no more been zero now. Because one, we know one for call somebody for can help me, something get the virus. Or something we call person for can help you, they say no, they say something will not get the virus. So we just the zero one place.
So like the picking them also safe we get problem with the eye way like they also safe blind. So like how they go about like for take care of themselves, then people are not been near them for lead them like where they want for go some side?
Yes, because they cook for them. Of course, the matron and they sleep with them. But how in the doing, everybody they get in your bed. And the bed then, maybe 2 beds the day between 2 picking them. For example, 1 bed the day so, 2 beds and the middle, no for sleep day. They making 4th, now they order picking the gold they don't. They making 7th, now they order picking the gold they don't. Just for let them not near themselves. Now so the matron been the help been the try for keep the social distancing all the picking and the sleep.
As somebody where they have the visually impaired people like for una now una in a school. You get like you get teacher them also safe we get problem with their way they also safe they cheat them picking them also. But they are somehow their way in BC they normally depend for go out like for get help.
Yes, we get teachers them then are visually impaired. Well like the teachers they say them be not train and know how for work without cane tick. So then they try. That white cane it help the teachers then for worker.
That's Naamidu Mansare, the head of the Kabbalah School for the Blind. From Kabbalah at the north, Adegona Kambia at the northwest, and Yeri from Abraham Sori Bangora, the disability desk officer in Kambia district. He been talked to James Abraham Soa, where they work na Radio Colentin.
When the COVID-19 become, people that will get visual impairments, they face challenges because, like for example, the lockdown, most of people that will get visual impairment in Kambia district no go school, and most of them are ageable people. They use picking for go big na streets, So this COVID-19 will come, then we try very hard for let them sit down at the host them, but then in one challenge would then be get. The other challenge na question they wouldn't put would then say no church, social distance. If you imagine how people will get visual impairment, you go see no church person. They not get contact with anybody. So all that in the back they affects them as people that will get visual impairments. The other thing what they observe now the food business. Most of them not be get the standard living them for live as small child man. Some of them mostly then suffer because of this COVID-19. We can at the country it not be so well for them because of some of them. Now it's that money then for that money then the big na streets then they get food for feed themselves, their families and other relatives then, and they solve them problems.
So for that me auntie or any other person we enable understand this English or which are these visual impairments and Uda don't face with this or Uda and the person we can face with this visual impairment?
Well, we say visual impairment for me mama or me granny na blind person know they see get maybe low vision or they see nothing and then call visual impairments.
You happen to be the spokesperson for WISOFOD, the only renowned disability organization at Kambia District, where you talk on behalf of all on a company, we then get one way or the other persons with disability. Apart from them points them where you don't highlighted, let me also talk about how people then be also how they may be passive on they get concern from community people.
Yes, we get concerned. How then be the passive way? Let me for the first time when they announce the first case I be in a council. So what I be faced as possible get visual impairment since they be done they help me for go inside come out. That's when I see people then change their minds for help me. So what me back do smartly. I left for Kana Council for 1 month, seeing the situation how they go around. Imagine how COVID-19 they affects people them. So imagine how it get for affect me. All that they think now as I say they must
scared away.
Yes, they are scared away now sit down now us. Because people they don't get the perception say maybe me they go contact I can't get other person. But the other thing back way not be good down well with people that will get disability. na the washing facility. The washing facility they wouldn't count. If you watch from there so high in a way that some man they in a wheelchair no go able to go to that facility for washing, and some man in coach, when in coach, he no go able left arm go washing, and so the idea for say wash you and all what be they tell them, let them for just don't count a message say you as person with disability that they carry you for always make sure say a washing and frequently, and so na the appliance we they use if always go the wash and because you no go only wash and they left that pet make that pet na they ride then you know wash am. So maybe the coronavirus they so it go be affected, or that person they push you just go wash and you know wash and it go be affected.
That's na Ibrahim Sori Bangura, the disability desk officer na Cambia district. For end the program, make a turn me attention na Freetown na the Western Area Urban District as we work mates na Radio Mountorial CTN. Amidu Koroma been talk to Abdul Rahman Conte, the chairman for blind man dem na Shaka Stephen Street, Cotton Tree branch. Abdul been start for talk about how life don't turn like for them as people were blind, especially inside the coronavirus term.
Papa, the suffering is too much. We suffer during the corona, and say now we dey over suffering, and we dey suffer everything for everything at this country. They not sabi we say. Nobody know the way sabi we as a big man. For saying a big man, he dey help blind, he dey do this, that for we. No. He not get customer, he not get nobody. Only if we not send hand for law we survive, we not get chance for live, we not get chance for survive. We dey suffer, we not get no backgrounds, we not get no supporting, no help, no dey for we. We the blinded. They say we get offices, but the offices they will get. Now suffering because of office there. They not get nothing for do for we the blinded. No help. You go there to this where they say better not they training and the coronavirus, then solve say then they help we for give we money. The money where they say for give we, the first lockdown, Maleke will not get some. Ufala say Ufala will not even get some.
Say they will give them money.
Well, they say then they give me money. They not show me any political. Say now this man, that, this, no, nobody. So now so back they use her back. They not give we some of we me most some of my brother they not give we. And we feel
how you be the cope where corona not be there in the country. So now how you the cope with the sustenance, the livelihood, how you get the living?
Me living from the corona no can hit na this country. I begin bigger. And the bigger now for try get 10,000, 15,000 for day. It's a problem, and we'll get to picking there. And right, school door open right now. We not get no way to do passing up at this begging. We not get no supporter. You not get without the right letter to. You not get without the action we say born. We say come on.
You get picking way, the good school way, the sponsor way this.
I get from 3, I get class 2, I get class 6.
How you the support them picking there?
Only upon this begging, me and the woman.
We only see the measures they way they put in regards to the COVID-19 and the coronavirus in terms of social distancing. How will they cope with them measures they assume?
Well, we they do what they say for law we do. Because then they only know with problem. They say if they say do this, if you not do that time the corona it will affect you. But we tell God thank you. From the family and the good neighbors they will sit down with it. They run things together with them they help with. Alhamdulillah, that's how it is. But no more, the suffering is too much.
That's na Abdul Rahman Conte, chairman for the blind man dem na Shaka Stephen Street, Cotton Tree branch inside Freetown. This edition of the program go tap na ya today. Members say na Radio Mount Oriel CTN na Frabe College na Freetown join hand with 14 partner radio station them, including the radio station where they listen to so for bringing this program to you. Until we meet again for our next edition, let us not forget say the coronavirus signal and bok pass mad people them we not able to talk, see and hear and them need we help. Thank you to our production team, we assistant producer Mary Jene Conte, we producer Emmanuel Nyake Momo, we senior producer na Musa Baisise, and we executive producer na James Tambalebi. Mina Unayon presenter Maria Masahi, they say goodbye.
Social distancing, no, they keep us